Vandy Treasure Hunters, we're here again. Unit 3115. Let's see what we get. Like that nice door interior unit. Give you a quick span. You stay tuned on this episode of Vandy Treasure Hunters. I hope we're going to find some treasures you want to see and maybe need. We love you. Stay tuned on this episode. Well, once again, like the previous episode, there's not much light in the unit, so we're bringing it out. We're going to start out with these beautiful bar stools. They raise up. Whoa. And they raise down. For us old people like me that can't get up, they lower it down for us. Right, back up?
Yep.
All right. And to go with the bar stools, you gotta have a table to put your drink on. There you go. And then while you're at the bar, you want to see yourself. Look how beautiful you are, Vandy Treasure Hunters. We got some shark action, little sweeper. I'm not sure what that is, but we may find the other components to go with it. Looks like part of a TV stand or entertainment center. Ma, I got you a flower.
Thanks.
To decorate the table with. Oh, another ninja. The last ninja we had, we got almost $100 for on eBay. So this will be on our eBay. We will take it home, test it, and make sure it works. It looks like it's brand new. We'll find out. Fancy paper towel holder. Is this a bowling ball? I don't think it is. This will go with the other unit we bought. Look at that helmet. It actually looks pretty good. It's got the gloves to go with her, the headband to go with it. You'd be washed. Looks pretty good. I'll have to look at that, see what the year is on it. And there's only one, but there's another one. There's a bell. Let's see what kind of shape it's in. I know motorcycle season's almost ending, but motorcycle season's always in. If the lights, ground lights up, sky lights up, there's motorcycles. Once again, it's a pretty nice one. E9. We'll have to check out, see if we can find comps on them. With the gloves. It looks like it might be ladies' gloves. I don't know. As you know, none of this comes free, so when I do keep mentioning about eBay, it's like we have to sell some stuff to pay so we can keep bringing more videos. And here's another table to match the first table. Let's see. I think I see a theme here, Beck. What do you think? Here's a lamp. It's almost, if you look at this, it almost looks like it was set up or demonstrate houses with for a real. Okay, we got the bed frame out of the way, so now we can get to more things. So something we always want to do, we always want to welcome you to Vandy Treasure Hunters, because you're always welcome to be here, and hopefully you'll find more friends that want to join along. Where the O's at, but they lost the O. These sell here. This needs cleaned. This is Pampered Chef. Those sell pretty good. Pizza pan, and to cook the pizza with, you got a nice little. I'm almost guessing that's an air fryer. It is air fryer oven grill. Back. If this works, what have I been asking you to buy?
That's mine.
You've been asking me for an air fryer as well, but that looks like an industrial model. It is beautiful. I'll give you a better look of it. It's a caloric air fryer. That's probably going home with us. Got another piece of plastic. We'll put that right there. That may go to that contraption there we have yet to figure out. And that's a toaster oven. And look at this oven. It's all brand new, guys. All has the manuals with it. I really think for $40 back, I think we did a good job here so far. And what I thought was going to be a terrible couch so far, the couch is looking pretty good back. Beautiful suede. But we'll see what it's like when we get it out. There's a little floor cleaner you can use in the kitchen. You can use it to profit out of stuff. We do need to sell some stuff, but use it to profit never hurts. It's a pot. Yep, it's a pot. Let's see. Man, I can't make this up. It's brand new. Where can you get brand new items like this for $40? I was told that I shouldn't bid on this unit, mainly because of the couch. I seen the couch, but I also seen the bar stools I liked. I seen the air fryer, but I wasn't sure if it was a toaster oven or air fryer. There was just certain signs. I seen the bell bag, which I knew had to do something with sports. So I did bid on it. Yes, it's got furniture. Can we do something with furniture? We can help people with it. So without further ado, let's get back into it and see what else we find. I'm not one that always listens, am I?
No.
Okay. Well, this will hang up a TV. We've seen enough of them, haven't we, Beth?
Yep.
Man, that's Food Network. That's to cut up on your counter with. This entertainment center out, I'm not sure what it is. There's two different pieces here. Thought this went to this, but it's too long, so I don't know what it is. We'll figure it out. But we have a table now. So, next thing we got, a little garbage pail for a bathroom, some toilet bowl cleaner. And for those of you that are like me, you got a brush to clean that toilet up with. Never anything wrong with that, Mom. Here's a lampshade goes with that lamp. Now we got the shower rugs. They look like they're fairly new. I don't know. I'm trying to read this unit, but I can't read it. Another shower mat. And a shower curtain. It's actually pretty colors.
That would match the bathroom.
Yeah, it would. Well, we got a valve cover for something.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do the research, see what that is. Now this is something we've seen in the back. Whenever I was looking at the unit, I've seen it in the back. But I didn't think too much of it, because usually when you see these in the unit, they're either no good or what have you. This one is a Best Buy TV, and it looks like a very nice TV. It's insignia. I'm reading sideways, so I believe it looks like it's about 44 inch or 50 inch maybe. I don't think it's 50. That's a nice TV. We'll test that out. And it's got the wall hanging bracket. I told you about the couch. Let me get this out here so you can see the beautifulness. That is like beautiful. It needs swept off from being in a storage unit. See if we see the brand. If Velcro's down, I don't see the brand. It does say clothing optional though. Vizio accessory kit. What's in it? Well, it's a soundbar. Maybe we'll find the soundbar back. Men working above. Then I went back to light up my life. Look at the Legos. treasure hunters. Look at the Legos. Are those amazing or what? It doesn't end. It just keeps coming and going. We got Legos for decades to come. We'll go down here back and one more Lego. It's all Food Network kitchen utensils. Not only that, but look at this back. Look at that beautiful red. My sister-in-law Leanne in Iowa would love these. Wouldn't you, Leanne? Make sure you comment if you're watching. Or my brother Randy Joe. He can comment as well. These are some vinyl cutting boards, or I don't know what the material is. It's the bathroom. And what do you usually find in the bathroom, Beck?
All the stuff that goes with it.
And the jewelry. Old Spice. I can't see that.
Hair fabric.
Air fabric spray, that's a good thing. Something every treasure hunter needs is Clorox wipes. Let me tell you, you need it for your hands when you're doing this. And some moisturizing lotion. Okay, so I resituated a little bit so that we didn't have a collapse. We got some beautiful Pyrex containers here with the lids. IKEA plates. False craft plates, those will go on our eBay. Got a nice silicone oven mitt. You might keep that. More hot pads. This tape isn't very good, but it's closed, kept the boxes closed. Alright, that explains the motorcycle. There's a motorcycle plate. Oh, they're sad that Brady was leaving. But you know what? This as well can sell on eBay. We got the keychains and stickers. I'm not going to pull all the magazines out. We got Tokyo clock, Philadelphia clock, Las Vegas clock, and a London clock. Okay, wanting to keep track of different zones. More books. But the best thing we got right now, Pokemon. And anybody that thought, well, there's some card covers as well. There's Pikachu. Got some Pokemon cards. I mean, if Beck wants to go inside there and show it. Got a whole slew of them. Pokemon cards. We got some baseball cards. There's Dream Team. I mean, yeah. So, once again, that Vandy part of treasure, he got to do some research back. And you always be careful, you don't want to wrinkle them. But most of these are, ooh, look at that one. If we were find the right Cesar, it could be worth lots of money. Then we can buy more units for y'all to see. For the mystery mines. I mean, look at that. That's a nice collection of cards. What else we got back? You got, I don't know what that says, keycaps. What does keycap sell back? Let's find out. Oh, a little keyboard. Amazing. Huh. That's a little keyboard. Got a Jenga. I'm guessing that's glue, but I don't know. You know what that is? Let me know. It says Pus Fix or Dust Fix, Buster Fix, Pusty Fix. I don't know. I'm guessing it's glue. We'll check her out. Somebody's notepad. We'll have to keep that and look through. Antibacterial wipes. That may have some of the research of the cards there. Nuts and bolts. That may go to whatever this contraption here is. Beck, what was I just saying yesterday?
You need a 9-volt battery.
I got a 9-volt battery. That's not enough for one, but we got 9-volt batteries. We got some tools, which is a good thing because I can take that bed frame apart to put it in the trailer now. Baking soda and more trash bags, which is always something treasure hunters can use. So we're almost done with the boxes, and then we're done. You want to come over here, honey? That side will be fine for now. All right, 3 more boxes. Maybe the best boxes waiting for last. I don't know because we haven't peeked. Oh,
Glassware.
yes. What? What's on the glasses? Blue Point glasses. I'm going to guess that probably goes with the bar. Whole box of Blue Point glasses. I am not going to pull all those out, ladies and gentlemen. I'm clumsy enough to be myself. If they put the time and effort to have nice boxes like this, they must have nice things. Electronics. Okay. Ooh, a little tripod we can maybe use for our phone. If I can find the attachment for it. The battery back up. Ethernet cord for an iPhone. Well, I'm not going to empty the whole thing out. Ooh. Nice headphones. Yes. You know what? If those were Bluetooth, that'd be great. I could use them while I'm recording the videos. Couldn't I bet?
Mm-hmm.
But either way, we could use them while we're live. Ooh, Gemini. That's a nice find. Oh. Fleetwood Mac. I can't read this. If you can. Prince, 1999. Dr. Dre. And Tupac. Guys, that right there is probably $300. Remember, we paid $40 for the unit. Okay, $50 when you pay all the fees and taxes. Right there is about $300. Just in, what do we got back? 4 albums. Do your research, you'll know. One more box. I'm trying to watch our trailer because bigger truck than I was expecting coming through. And looks like the remainder part of the red ware. So, Vandy Treasure Hunters, you don't know what you're going to find. You never know. Please follow us, subscribe, pass us along, help us grow. We love you. God bless you.